Sashamoniquetalks, and I was tagged by Sanab Beautiful Gems. Sanab have a wonderful channel. She does thrifting, hauls, and all sorts of things on her channel. And she does a lot of other things there too. So she was tagged by someone, and then she tagged me and a lot of other people. And the tag is called the Clean House tag. So the questions are, first of all, before I do anything, I'm going to show you the products that I use to clean. My cleaning system is not complicated. It's very simple. And I try to get the most out of my money with cleaning products. Okay, so I'm going to show you all of them, and then I'm going to tell you about it. Laundry detergent, dish detergent, bleach, the label came off it, any bleach, that's what you want to buy. Baking soda, vinegar, sometimes I buy Comet, sometimes. And I buy real inexpensive laundry detergents like these. Now these were 59 cents each. And what I love about these, you can add, maybe get you a container or get you a few containers, put 2 tablespoons in there, fill it up with water, shake it up. And I like to use that for like my tubs and especially my toilet bowls. Sometimes I buy the scrubbing bubbles and stuff like that, but for the most part I don't. I just buy it once in a while. And because I feel that, you know, something that's going in your toilet, it doesn't have to be expensive. So I would take the baking soda, sprinkle some in my tub or my sinks, put some vinegar, and then I just wipe things down and rinse it. It's just very simple. I get a lot of things done with dish detergent. That's the main thing on my list. Dish detergent, laundry detergent, bleach, baking soda, and vinegar. So that's usually what I use. So now let me start the tag. How often, number one, how often do you clean your house? Daily, weekly, monthly? I clean a good part of my house every day. It doesn't be like a big spring cleaning. It's just straightening up and cleaning. You know, you have to do something every day. Number two, do you have a certain style and method of cleaning? For example, zone cleaning, a schedule, 1 chore a day, etc. I'm going to say it's between zone cleaning or 1 chore a day. Sometimes I do a little bit more. What is your least favorite room to clean? I guess you could say your bathroom, but I'm okay with cleaning that, but I think I would say that. I would say the bathroom. What is your least favorite chore to do? Dusting, mopping, dishes. I like mopping. For some reason, I don't know why, I love washing dishes. I don't like dusting. Now, if you came here, you might see a little dust somewhere. I might dust the main areas, but to be honest with you, I just don't have time to do like on top of the, like my armoire and, you know, stuff like that. I don't really do it. I should, I don't. What is your favorite chore to do? One thing you don't mind doing, again, I like washing dishes. What is your favorite cleaning brand, supply, or tool? My favorite cleaning brand would be Ajax or any dish detergent. It goes a long way, especially when you get yourself a big bottle like this. What is a cleaning solution, a product you don't recommend? Cleaning solution, a product you don't. I can't really think of one right now, to be honest with you. Can you share some of your favorite cleaning hacks with us? Okay, again, I know a lot of people have a problem with bleach. I am a bleach lover. I love bleach because you can get yourself a big bottle. It doesn't cost much and it can last you a month or two. And I can use this, again, my laundry detergents. You know, those are my favorite hacks. And again, pour it in, you know, some in a bottle with some water. It's not nothing big or difficult. You can get a lot of uses out of these bottles. You can even get some bigger than this. And just make your own. Have you or would you have a cleaning company come into your home to clean? Yes, if I was sick, if I was very busy and didn't have the time, I probably would. But for the most part, I can clean myself. But yes, if I was sick or I needed time for other things, yes, I would get a cleaning company. Okay, I want to touch on, I also do like Sanaa said, you get yourself an empty spray bottle, you put that vinegar in there, you can use it for your mirrors, your windows, and then I use some newspaper, crumpled up newspaper, and shine my mirrors, stuff like that. So it's a lot of things that you can use. You know, everybody's not on a budget. I am. But I like to cut down. I don't want to have to buy every product out there to just keep my house clean. So lastly, tag some people and please send them my way also so I can see what their answers are. I don't know who to tag. I'm gonna say anybody who's my subscriber. If you want to do the tag, please do the tag. If that's what you want to do, you do the tag and go by Sanaa Beautiful Gems, and so she can see what your answers are. This is really a good tag because you get to learn from other people and, you know, things that they like to use. You can get ideas of different ways to keep your house clean. So again, this is the tag I was tagged in by Sanaa. Go over there and show her channel some love and do the tag. If you want to do the tag, do it. I would like to see, maybe you don't use the same things that I use. Maybe you use something completely different. Or maybe you have a completely different hack or system that you use. So please, if you want to do the tag, just do it. Love you all. Bye.